Alrighty, guys, so we got the axles in our little Mini Cooper. Now we're ready to rock on some brakes. And you guys have seen us upgrade to Powerstop several times over. It's our go-to in the shop.
Yeah, no doubt. I mean, this is a daily, but it's also a spirited, fun driver. Yeah. And it's perfect for their Evolution Sport brake kit. Yeah. This is their Z23, man, and it's got all the goodies in it. Everything you'd expect. Zinc-coated rotors so they don't rust up on you. They look good. They've got all the slotting and drilling and cooling.
You know, that's a good point. So do you guys know why they slot them and they drill them? Or you may have heard it's for gas removal. Why do they do that? So here's the factory, the stock one. Why is this such an improvement and upgrade?
Well, you got these fins in here, right? Some of them are actually curved radially for the direction, so the air can pull through and cool from the inside out, which is kind of nice. You can get some cooling from the drilling, but a lot of times the slotting especially is kind of like what you mentioned. You've got uneven surfaces, and you can build up a lot of heat real fast, expanding gases, so now you don't have the contact that you like. So it's a great way as you come across one of these slots, the gas can clean off both sides or the holes, right? And get degassing. And the slots are really good too because as the pad comes across, you've got a little bit of a breakaway and you can clean off any kind of glazing and dusting and whatever of your pad. So it's a good pad cleaning mechanism as well.
Big improvement from something like this on the factory.
Cheap and cheerful.
Yeah.
Got all the upgrades in it. I mean, look at this rusty old thing. That's going to look great. We got all the hardware, which is going to make it easy. So pick a side, man.
Kit, I want to say, know this because I've done these cars before. Included in the kit, right, is this piece right here. This is normally extra. This is the brake sensor. It's going to tell you when your pads are worn out. So this comes included in this kit. Normally, that's an additional feature.
No, so again, normally you're using the old one that's got worn out and it's all and it doesn't work anymore, but you're like, it should be in there.
Right, because you didn't buy it additionally in the kit, but not with Powerstop, they give you everything.
Once everything's cleaned up, we're gonna put a little bit of thread locker on our fasteners, holding the caliper bracket. And now we're gonna put a little bit of lube. Lube comes with the kit, so we're gonna put a little bit on the back of the pads, anywhere we have metal surfaces that are touching or sliding. We're gonna get our caliper bracket mounted, and lastly, this kit comes with the little rubber boots for our slider pins. We're gonna pop the old ones out, get the new ones in, make sure we lube up the pins, put everything back together nice and tight.
Boom. All right, rear brake's done, man. So you got the fronts all buttoned up. Nice.
That's right. 4 corners. We are set. We're going to take a quick break. When we come back,
creature comfort. Yes, we're not quite done on the Mini Cooper. We're upgrading the inside next.